How's it going, lads? So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to just get a bit of this car primered up here so I can stop it from rusting. But it's a good thing I didn't It's a good thing that I didn't primer it just yet, because I found some hidden rust. Have a look at this. See that little bit of rust right there underneath the seam sealer. So I'm going to get the wire brush on the grinder, and I have a wire wheel or two lying around that I'm going to just finish grinding up. I'm going to primer as much of that sill there as I can, up here, there, all in there with a bit of epoxy primer, and then I'm going to get underneath it then as well, and I'll wherever the camera's gone now, I'm going to just then primer up in here as well, so I have no rust issues then moving forward, and I can then just 180 that then or so when I'm ready to paint it with a bit of the under seal and paint itself. So guys, with that being said, let's get to it. We need to get this car going. Alright lads, so I'm happy enough with how it's gone so far, and I'm just going to primer to here and then over to the section on the sill and just want to get this primered so it stops kind of getting some surface rust on it, because I want to get it onwards. And if I get it primered up, I can just give it a quick flick with sandpaper, put some sealer on it, then I can put on some under seal, and then I'll paint it up and all that. So what I want to do now is blow this off and prep it up with a bit of masking tape and paper. Let's go. Just before I finish and let it blow off the engine bay so I can take up the engine bay, I'm going to just double check everywhere that I have ground down. I've seen a little spot here, there's a little spot here that I missed, and I'm going to just check in up and around the back and see how she is now, and then we'll see how it goes for primer. How's it going, everybody? I've got the big man Evan here beside me. You saying hello? How are you, lads? So thanks very much for watching. I just wanted to get something done on the car. It's been sitting there for long enough. To be fair, it's about time I got my finger out. Been talking to a few lads and they got me mojo back, you might say, and my libido about doing this car. And this big man sitting on my lap here, he's giving me the inspiration that I needed, looking at him every single day, going through what he goes through, listening to me and dealing with diabetes. He's my inspiration. Have fun watching that video. I'll talk to you in the next one. Hopefully it won't be as long. Let's go. You saying day, buddy?
Good.
Good luck, lads.